Hi, this is Vernon from Vernon Toyota taking a look at this 2022 Toyota Tundra. This Tundra is equipped with the TRD off-road package in the double cab 6.5 foot bed configuration, which has 11,199 pound towing capacity and 1,885 pound payload. Taking a look inside the vehicle, of course you have features like heated seats, push button start, and the touchscreen display, along with the Toyota Safety Sense package, including your lane departure warning, pre-collision systems, and radar cruise control. Going into the TRD off-road package, you are also going to add off-road shock absorbers, blind spot monitors with rear cross traffic alert, downhill assist control, crawl control, multi-terrain select, a locking rear differential, and 18-inch off-road alloy wheels. If you or somebody you know has any questions about the redesigned Toyota Tundra, just give me a call at the dealership. Again, my name is Vernon, and our number here is 250-545-0687.